in. You read that title right. Yes, your comment section can make your video go viral. Let's go. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. So today we're diving into a fantastic topic, and that's how you can make your comment section go viral. You heard me right. An engaging comment section can be a game changer for your video success. Let's get started. Now, first off, let's talk about why the comment section is so crucial. A lively comment section boosts your video's visibility on the YouTube algorithm. The more engagement you get, the more likely YouTube will recommend your videos to others. So how do we make that happen? Step 1 is to create content that engages comments. Think about topics that spark conversation. Here are a few ideas. Now, this first one isn't really used a lot, but it gets a lot of feedback. Controversial topics. Try to discuss hot button issues that can ignite debates. Ask questions. Pose open-ended questions throughout your video. Storytelling. Share personal stories that resonate with your audience. Remember, the more relatable and engaging your content, the more likely viewers will want to share their thoughts with you. Step 2 is to actively engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask follow-up questions, and show appreciation for their input. This builds a community around your content. Here are some examples of comments you should use. Thanks for your input. What do you think about this part? I love your perspective. Can you elaborate? Step 3, utilize effective call to action. Encourage your viewers to comment by asking them to share their thoughts. Here are some call to action examples. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Have you experienced something similar? Share your story. Okay, moving along to step 4, and that is to create a comment challenge. This can be a fun way to get your audience involved. For example, ask viewers to comment with a specific emoji or share their favorite quote from the video. Here are some examples that you can use. Drop your favorite quote for this video down below. Just something like that. Step 5, pin your favorite comments. This not only shows appreciation for your audience, but also encourages others to want to get more engaged, hoping that their comment will get pinned as well. Step 6 is to collaborate with other creators. Now, when you collaborate, both audience will more than likely engage on both channels, which will lead to more comments and discussion. Step 7, don't underestimate the power of humor. Funny content often leads to funny comments. Incorporating memes or humorous moments can encourage viewers to drop their own jokes and reactions in the comment section. And that is true, guys. Step 8, highlight some of the best comments in your future videos. This not only showcases viewers' interaction, but encourages people to comment more, hoping that theirs will be featured in the next video. So I'm not sure if you know, but your comment section will literally make your video go viral. Your video will go viral just from the conversation in the comments. That will let the algorithm know that people really enjoy this video. The comments are going crazy. The comments are going crazy. Let's spread this to more people so they can engage with the comments, read the comments, like the comments, put comments. Your comment section plays a crucial role. And I'm gonna be honest, years ago, I did not know that, but your comment section is what helped. So try to encourage people to put comments down below. Put your favorite emoji down below. Just engage with your audience, pin comments. So I hope that this video was helpful to you. And go ahead and flood my comment section while you're at it. A lot of you guys already put comments in there, but let's flood each other comments. Let's do that to help get the videos back where they belong, because like I told you guys, my video view count has been so low, but I'm working hard. And you continue to work hard as well. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna get there. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.